Everything in our lives and in the whole world has a rhythm. In music, rhythm is very, very important, but not only, because our brain is working in a rhythm, our heart is beating in a rhythm, our sleeping schedule is working in a rhythm, and even when we are growing in the belly of our mothers, we hear their heart rhythm and whole body rhythms, and they calm us down. So the rhythm can be very powerful therapeutical tool. So my suggestion today is play with anything you have around and find what kind of rhythm calms you down now. For me, for example, today it is something like this.